Pfaff, and I work here at Auto Plaza Ford in Sainte Genevieve, and I've been here for 2 years now. We have lots of inventory. One of my favorites is our F-150s, and it is one of our most popular sellers. Throughout all of our dealerships, we have over 1,000 vehicles to choose from. With new wheels and tires on. It's got 20-inch tires. Trucks like this are going for thousands of dollars off of MSRP. This is 2019. Obviously, it's right after our snow day. We still have some ice on our windshield here. This vehicle is equipped with remote start, heated seats, so it's great for the winter, and it can get you through anything. So this truck is equipped with hands-free phone, so you can call people, have people call you. You don't ever have to pick up your phone, so it's very safe. You just add your phone through here, and also we are equipped with mobile apps, so any mobile apps that are on your phone, you can link up to here and you can use them through this screen. One of my favorites is the Domino's Pizza app, so your passenger can be ordering your pizza on your way home and it can be delivered to your house by the time you get there. Okay, and here in the back of the F-150 we do have an AC 110 volt outlet. We also have 2 USB ports and also the 12 volt here, so back seat has plenty of charging power. So this is the 2019 F-150. We have lots of vehicles in stock. We have over 1,000 to choose from between all of our lots. Again, my name is Amy Pfaff. I work here at the Sainte Gen Auto Plaza in Sainte Genevieve, Missouri. Call, stop by, just come see us. We'll get you hooked up.